Hello students, hope you are doing fine. Today I got another video for your class, right? So today we are going to convert octal numbers to binary. Okay, so converting octal numbers to binary. So first consider an example. 127.36 is an octal number. Or do you agree with me? Yes, 127.36 is an octal number. So what you are going to see on this table, on the left hand side it is the octal numbers. As we know, octal numbers means numbers ranging from 0 to 7, total 8 numbers. And on the right hand side you can see binary numbers, the corresponding or equivalent binary numbers corresponding to the octal numbers. For 0 it is 0 0 0, and last one 7 it is 1 1 1, right? So you might be wondering why I am using 3-bit positions. For an octal number, the highest unique number it is 7. In order to represent 7 in binary, we need only 3-bit positions. So that's why I am using 3 digits to represent the octal number 7 in binary. Okay. So let's see how we can convert octal number to binary. You have seen a table of octal numbers and corresponding binary number equivalents, right? So this table you have to be refer whenever we want to convert an octal number to binary, right? Now first see how we can convert an integral part of the octal number to binary. So in our example I am using 127.36 as the octal number, and as we know 127 is the integral part, right? So here what we are going to do, we are going to refer the previous table. As per the previous table, the digit 1 equivalent to 001 and 2 equivalent to the digit 010 and the digit 7 equal to 111. So we find the binary equivalent of each digits of the octal number. So 127, that is the integral part of the octal number. So 127 is equal to 001 010 111 is the equivalent binary number. Okay. So we have converted the integral part of the octal number to binary. Now we can see the example for the conversion of fractional part of the octal number to binary. So in our given example, 127 or 127.36 is the octal number. So here we can say 0.36 or 0.36 is the fractional part. Here also we refer the previous table for finding the binary equivalent of each digits of the fractional part. So 0.36, we know that 0.36, so 3 is equal to 011 and 6 is equal to 110. So 0.36 can be written as, for equivalent for 0 we can use the 3 digits 000 point. For 3 it is 011 and for 6 it is 110. So that is the equivalent binary number. So when we combine the results, 127.36 is equal to 001 010 111.011110. So basically the conversion of an octal number to binary, we refer the table. So we got some predefined table. So we have to refer that predefined table for the conversion of octal numbers to binary. So here we can see our first question for converting octal to binary number. So the first question is 312.241 is the octal number. We want to convert this octal number to binary. So 312.241 is the octal number. We want to convert that into equivalent binary. So here you can see that we refer the table. The first table we used for converting each digits of the octal number to binary. For the integral part, so integral part is 312. So corresponding to 3, binary equivalent is 011, and for 1 it is 001, and for 2 it is 010. Right. Now look into the fractional part. So fractional part is 0.241. So if we consider the equivalent binary of each digits in the fractional part, 2 is equal to 010, and 4 is equal to 100, and 1 is equal to 001. So we can write 312.241 equal to 011, 001, 010, 010, 100, 001 is the equivalent binary. Okay, here we can see the second question. 1576.432 is the octal number. So we want to convert that into binary. Here also we refer the table. So equal to for the integral part, 1576 is the integral part. So we are finding the binary equivalence of each digits in the integral part. So for 1 it is 001, for 5 it is 101, for 7 it is 111, and 6 is 110. And for the fractional part it is 0.432. For each digits, 4 is 100, and for 3 it is 011, and 2 it is 010. So we can write the binary equivalent of the given octal number as 001, 101, 111, 110, 100, 011, 010 is the equivalent binary. So now we are going to see the conversion of binary numbers to octal. So for converting binary number to octal number, here also we follow or we refer the table given on this screen. So that is, you can see on the left hand side, you can see the list of octal numbers, list of unique octal numbers, and its corresponding binary numbers on the right hand side. Right? An example is given for you. So it is the 110, 111, 000, 0.011, 110 is the binary number. Now let's see how we can convert the given binary number to its equivalent octal number. So here we can see the conversion of octal number to binary. On the screen you can see the given binary number. First we are taking the integral part of that binary number. The integral part of the binary number is 110,111,000 is the integral part. Now see, we have to group the binary numbers of the integral part as a group of 3 bits, and grouping is done by left to right. So here you can on the screen, the first 3 zeros form the first group, and second that 3 ones form the second group, 0 1 1 0 that forms the third group. Let me repeat. Here the integral part, we are arranging the binary numbers as a group of 3 bits. 3 bits means 3 digits. We are just make a group of 3, right? So as per the given example, 110 111 000 is the integral part. So here you can see on the screen, we are making the group of arranging the numbers as a group of 3, and it starts from left to right. So it is 0 0 0 is the first group, 1 1 1 is the second, 0 1 1 0 is the third. Okay. Again, after forming the groups, as we have formed the group of 3, now we refer the table. We refer the table of octal numbers and corresponding binary digits. We can see that 110 is equal to 6, 111 is equal to 7, 0 0 0 3 zeros which is equal to 0. So 670 to the base 8 is the equivalent octal number for the integral part of the binary. We converted the integral part of the binary. Now we are looking into the case of converting the fractional part of the binary. So the given example, you can see the binary number. In the given binary number, 0.011 110 is the fractional part. Like in the case of the integral part, here also we are arranging the digits of the binary as a group of 3, but this time the arrangement is from right to left. So here you can see that 0.011 110 is the given fractional part of the binary. So when we start arranging from right to left, 011 form the first group, 110 form the second group. Again we refer the table. So 011 which is corresponding to 3 in the octal, and 110 corresponds to 6 in the octal. So we can say 0.36 is the equivalent octal number. So we have seen the example of converting integral part of a binary number to octal number and a fractional part of a binary number to octal number. Okay. So when we convert the binary numbers to octal number, so here you can see I have written some important information on the screen. So please read it. You can add zeros to the left hand side and right hand side of integral and fractional parts respectively to make the number of bits into a group of 3. So I can explain what I have written on the screen using an example. So here in the example, a binary number is given. You can see that it has got integral part as well as the fractional part. So when we form the group of 3, so starting from left to right, for the integral part you can see that the third group there are only 2 digits. So in order to make a group of 3, we add 1 0 to the last group. So you can see that I have highlighted in red color and also written that 0 is added to the left to make it as a group of 3. Right? Now look into the fractional part. So fractional part, we know that we are arranging from right. So it is 0 0 1 forms the first group, and 0 1 there is only, you can see that there are only 2 digits. So we also add a 0 to the right to make it as a group of 3. Okay. So I hope this explanation help you to convert binary numbers to octal numbers. So I'm going to give you more exercises based on this conversion. I'll see you with another video in the next class. Please watch the videos, and if you got any doubt, you can contact me. Okay.